Okay, today I'll be teaching you how to use these mini pop tubes as gaming items for your house. You can play with your family and it's very fun. So I'm going to be using these 3 mini pop tubes to make a gaming center of ring toss. Time for my ring toss magic. For this you'll need 3 mini pop tubes or any kind of pop tubes, a rubber band, tape. Make sure it's a blurry tape so it doesn't stick on your floor. And also you'll need a poster or any type of long paper you have. So let's get started. Start by taking all your pop tubes out. And once you're done that, take your pop tube and put them in a circle. Do that for all of them. And once you have those are your rings, your colorful rings. Next, what you'll need to do is wrap up your use a heavy book to keep it at last if you have it rolled up. Start by rolling it a little bit like this, and then finally take out your book, and then it comes to an end like this. Make it all straight and use a rubber band to put it all together. Do it twice if you have a big rubber band. You can do it as many times you want and how many times you can. Take your tape and then use it. Take about 3 pieces and then you can see how many pieces you'll need. For this thing, you'll need it to stick on the floor like this. So you'll need it to stand, and it has to be very strong. So we're going to be using 3. Do both of the sides and then see if you need 2 more. Don't let it stick together or you'll have to start all over again. I would recommend doing only 4 sides instead of 3. So it holds all of it together and it's also equal. So make it stick like that, and then for the last part you have to make it the same size. Alright, we're done now. Let's go downstairs and then stick it on the floor and I'll show you how to play. So get your rolled up poster and then stick it on the floor like this. Make them all folded so they don't stick to each other. Just have to do that when I mean folded. Okay, and then quickly do that to the ground and then secure it as tight as you can. Don't worry, it'll come off only if you use invisible tape, not like the ones that make a lot of noise, not the red ones, but the green ones. Now you're done this one. Now you have your rings, your stick, and all you have to do is play. Whoa, that was a trick shot. So start from the edge and start going. That seems all nice. But you can play with anybody and how far you can do, and you can place it anywhere. You can even place it on the wall and play like this. That's all for today. Bye.